to another beautiful day at Angelica Beach Resort. We've got lots to plan today. I'm pretty excited. The day is fantastic, the weather is beautiful, there's a lovely breeze. I'm really ready to get started today. So you've got up in the morning, you woke up to this beautiful scenery. I mean, it's just breathtaking. It's like a miniature paradise. Everywhere you look is just scenery. You can't see a building dotted anywhere. It's just hills, trees, sea, and well, that's freshwater river over there, you see over there. The birds, flying birds. It's so relaxing, and you just sit back, you have your coffee, and you get ready for an exciting day. So let's see what it brings a little bit later on. Right, can you hear that? Silence, just birds. This place is absolutely beautiful and tranquil. But anyway, I've not shown you the rooms yet, and I want you to see inside one of the rooms. They're really nice. So come and have a look. Right, so as I said, this is one of 10 rooms in the hotel. I mean, look how beautiful it is. This is what you've got to expect if you come. The rooms are really nice and clean. They've all got air conditioning, and they've also got a hot shower, so you can have a hot shower when you come. So just let's have a look around, see how lovely they are. So this is the bathroom, as you can see, lovely and clean. You get your complimentary toothpaste, shampoo, soap, etc. Towels are provided, as in most hotels I think these days. You've got your Western toilet, lovely hot shower, it's lovely and clean. So we're going to have this special breakfast, and this is what you've got on the way. There's some Nipa huts set back here, but like I said, the owner's going to put loads of cottages along the seafront so you can stay overnight, and I believe they're also going to provide tents, so if you're a backpacker you can come here and spend a cheap night here. Which again I guarantee you'll not regret it. It's fantastically beautiful. It is a paradise. You know, the owners are so lucky. I'm not jealous. Yeah, I am really. I'm going to ask Tom and Rena whether they'll sell me some land so I can retire here, spend the rest of my days here. No, joke lang. But it would be nice, it certainly would be nice. They've got a paradise here, definitely. Puddle fight, it's more fun in the Philippines. This is the lengths that these guys will go to if you've come here to get you some coconut juice, or as they call buku juice. And I love the buku. So when you come to the resort and you want to do some horseback riding, you're going to get one horse like this, and this is Princess, and she's got a wonderful personality. She's a beautiful horse. She's so soft. I'm not a big fan of horses, not that I'm saying I don't like them, it's just not something I've ever got into, but this horse is really lovely, really lovely. I could sit on this one, no problem at all. Give you a story. The reason I'm not keen on horses is when I was a bit younger, I got on a horse, the horse started nodding, put its head down, and I just slid down the horse's neck. And since then, I've been a bit wary of horses, but not this one. This one's really nice. Now the other horse they have 4 horses altogether, but I'm only going to show you 2 horses today. The other one's called Alexander, and he's as tame as this one, allegedly. I don't know. We've got to see yet. But if you come to the resort, this is the kind of horse you'll ride, and she's lovely. She really is lovely. So let's go and have a look at Alexander, the other horse. Right, now this one's called Alexander. He's a stallion. He's pretty feisty, and I've just heard that they can't use him for customers. They can only use the other 3 horses because he has a tendency to bite, which isn't good. And he keeps looking a bit dead-eye at me, so I'm not going to get too close to him. Not that I'm saying he's really nasty, but you know what horses are like, or can be like. They can be pretty volatile. So this one's just for show, and if they want any more horses, they use him as a stud. But he's a beautiful horse, but not one for riding. So let's go on to the next thing. See you in a mo. Wow, can you actually imagine if I'd had my aerial drone to take you video of Angelica Paradise Beach and Resort? I mean, it would have been absolutely fantastic, but unfortunately I couldn't raise the $800 I needed to replace my stolen drone. So this is my last day, and we had the Buddle fight, we've had some horseback riding, been in the sea again. We had a lovely day. It's been really fantastic. There's still a bit of the day left. They've got something planned for us. I don't know what it is yet, but it's been really good. So I want to say to my subscribers, there's definitely a 20% discount if you mention a Brit in the Philippines when you book in your room. And you know, if my experience is anything to go by, the staff are fantastic. You know, you ask them to do something, and if it's in their power to do it, they'll do it for you. You know, they're really good. And when the owners arrive, the place is going to just improve. I mean, it's going to be mega. I'm really looking forward to my next visit. So that's it. So from me and Melody and Edward, who's taking this video now, it's a big goodbye, a big thanks to you for your support as usual, and my patron support. Couldn't do without you. Thanks very much. See you soon. Now this is a walk down to the beach, and as you're walking down, you come to the new restaurant. We come out, we're going to go down to have a look at the pool, and this slight rain's happened, and even when it's raining, it's beautiful. Look at it. Please subscribe to
Brit in the Philippines.
If you like my videos, please subscribe, help me on Patreon, give me the thumbs up, like on Facebook. Here's some more videos, or you can buy one of my t-shirts and help me out that way.